Slavery. Slavery was a legal form of labor in the early years of the colonial period in the United States. It was made legal by a law in 1808, even though this law had passed, the South was still defending slavery. From the 16th to the 19th century, an estimated of 645,000 slaves were brought to the United States from Africa. By 1860, the slave population had grown to 4 million. Slavery was an attractive form of labor since the price for a slave in 1638 was around $27, the equivalent of 40 days of labor by a European man. Even the famous inventor Thomas Jefferson owned slaves his entire life. Slaves were definitely a common thing in the early years of America. They were completely treated as objects. Slave owners sometimes stole slaves from each other. Because of this, it was necessary to identify slaves to their owners by branding them with hot iron on their arm or chest. Slavery continued for several centuries, and it was first after the North won the Civil War and the 13th Amendment was made that slavery was officially abolished in the United States. Segregation was still noticeable 100 years after, but some of the greatest freedom fighters like Martin Luther King Jr. and Malcolm X made whites and blacks able to live together in today's America.